Imagine this for a moment. You're driving deep into the mountains, the sun beginning to set behind the ridges, the road turning into loose gravel and mud. Any normal RV would struggle here, but today, you're not in a normal RV. You're inside a brand new 4x4 luxury camper van built for places where the map ends. The cabin feels like a premium hotel suite, the suspension absorbs every bump like you're floating, and the power under your feet makes you feel unstoppable. This is the kind of camper van that changes the entire idea of travel, not just for RV fans, but for the whole industry. And honestly, the RV world isn't ready for something like this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love luxury RV tours, new model walkthroughs, and honest reviews in a simple, relaxing, easy-to-listen style, you're in the right place. Today's feature is something truly special. A 4x4 luxury camper van designed for travelers who want freedom, power, and hotel-level comfort all in one rugged, compact machine. So let's step into this beautiful beast and see what makes it one of the most talked about vans of the year. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the adventure begins. The first thing you notice is the stance. It's tall, confident, and aggressive. This camper van looks ready to go places traditional RVs wouldn't even attempt. It rides on a full-time 4x4 system, paired with off-road all-terrain tires that give you serious ground clearance. Rocky trails, forest paths, riverbeds, and desert dunes suddenly become part of your normal travel route. The front end is bold, with modern LED headlights, protective skid plates, and a grille that screams adventure. Along the sides, the smooth, clean body lines make it look more like a premium expedition vehicle than a typical camper van. Up top, you get roof racks, off-road lights, and a heavy-duty ladder, all designed to handle real-world travel. Every piece feels strong, purposeful, and engineered for long-distance exploration. If you've ever wanted a camper van that looks as good on Instagram as it does covered in mud on a mountain trail, this is it. But then, when you step inside, everything changes. The rugged exterior disappears, and suddenly you're standing in a warm, premium, beautifully crafted living space. The cabin feels spacious and calm, filled with natural light coming through panoramic windows on both sides. The brightness gives it a relaxing, peaceful atmosphere, like a tiny mobile sanctuary where you can escape the world. The lounge and seating area is at the front. The captain chairs swivel around and instantly create a cozy social space. The materials feel high-end, soft-touch surfaces, stitched leather, and gentle ambient lighting. The table is wide enough for meals, laptop work, or just enjoying a coffee while watching the scenery outside. It feels less like a van and more like a modern micro-apartment. Moving into the kitchen, this is where the design truly shines. You get a deep stainless steel sink, a dual burner stove, a large countertop, and a full compressor fridge with freezer. The cabinets open softly with smooth, soft-close hinges. Everything is built to make cooking on the road simple and enjoyable. Nothing feels cramped or forced. It's laid out like someone actually tested it on a real trip. Then at the back, you reach the sleeping area, and this is genuinely impressive. A large, comfortable bed stretches across the rear, surrounded by windows that let you wake up with mountain views, beach views, or starry skies. The mattress feels hotel quality, thick and supportive. You get reading lights, USB charging ports, and hidden storage built into every corner. It feels like a real bedroom, not just a bed folded into a van. And yes, there's a full bathroom. A real wet bath with a shower, a toilet, strong ventilation, and enough space to wash comfortably. The waterproof surfaces, solid water pressure, and hot water system make it perfect for long off-grid trips, far away from public restrooms or camp facilities. For a compact 4x4 van, the bathroom is a huge highlight. Now let's talk features and technology, because this camper van is packed with smart systems. You get a touchscreen control panel for lights, water, battery. There's a full solar setup on the roof paired with lithium batteries for long off-grid living. Fast-charging USB ports are everywhere. You get climate control for both hot summers and freezing winters. There's also a rear camera system, parking sensors, and off-road assist features that help with traction and steep terrain. The insulation and soundproofing are excellent, keeping the interior peaceful even in bad weather or busy campgrounds. But one of the biggest highlights is the driving experience. This is where the camper van truly separates itself. The 4x4 system gives you total confidence when climbing steep hills or driving through mud, sand, and uneven terrain. The upgraded suspension handles rough ground beautifully. Inside the cockpit, the seats are supportive, the digital displays are clear, and the engine feels strong and responsive. Long highway drives feel smooth and relaxed, yet the moment you take an off-road turn, the van feels ready for whatever comes next. Now, what makes this camper van truly stand out from its competitors? First, the interior quality. Many off-road vans feel too rugged or too basic inside, but this one blends serious adventure capability with genuine luxury. Second, the sleeping comfort is much better than most vans in its class. Third, the storage layout is smarter. Every drawer, cabinet, and compartment is designed to be practical and easy to use. And finally, the overall balance is perfect. It's not too big, not too small. It's the ideal size for long trips, weekend escapes, solo travelers, couples, or even small families. You can live in it comfortably without feeling cramped. This van isn't built for simple campground living. It's designed for real exploration, for taking the long road, the unpaved road, and sometimes, no road at all. It gives you the power to go off-grid for days thanks to the solar and lithium system. And the comfort inside makes it feel like home no matter where you park it. Now I want to hear from you. If you own this 4x4 luxury camper van today, where would you take it first? Into the mountains? Through the desert? Along the coast? Tell me your dream destination down in the comments. I'd love to know where you take this beautiful machine. At the end of the day, a camper van like this isn't just a vehicle. It's a doorway to new experiences, to waking up in places you've only seen in photos, to peaceful mornings, wide open spaces, and the freedom to choose a new direction every single day. This 4x4 luxury camper van shows us what travel can feel like when comfort and adventure come together perfectly. And honestly, the RV world truly wasn't ready for something this impressive. If you enjoyed this tour and want more luxury RV reviews, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.